Or someone's getting a major change. Wanna know about it? We'll be right back. Let's do this here. So, a groundbreaking ceremony on September 25th, 2024 kicked off a 100 million infrastructure improvement plan at the San Juan Cruz Port that has been in the works for 2 years. Major upgrades to the port are on track to make San Juan a major hub for the cruise industry with plans to renovate existing facilities and build new ones. Top governmental and port officials participated in the event, including Puerto Rico's Governor Pedro R. Pierluisi and Ports Authority Executive Director Joel Pisa Batis. The improvement project resulted from a 30-year concession contract that Global Ports Holding, GPH, a port management firm signed with the San Juan Ports Authority back in 2022. Under the improvement plans, repairs will be made to San Juan Cruz Port, Pier 4 and Pan American Piers, and to existing cruise terminals. GPH, which operates 32 cruise ports in 19 countries, also vowed to manage and modernize port technology and other systems to upgrade cruise tourism services at the port. In February 2024, GPH announced that the cruise port, which is now a subsidiary of the management firm, had concluded the debt financing plan needed to move forward with the project. Long-term bonds and capital from GPH are funding the first phase of the infrastructure plan. A second round of financing is planned with a goal of another $250 million in investment funds. GPH has indicated that its total investment into redeveloping the San Juan port eventually could reach $425 million. The long-term plan is to create 2 cruise port areas, the San Juan district, including Piers 1 and 4, mainly for transit calls and cruise ships, and the home port district, including Piers 11 through 14 and the Pan American Piers. So we'll see how long this takes, So along with the groundbreaking ceremony, the San Juan Cruz Port announced the appointment of Claribet Diaz as its new general manager. Diaz, who takes on the new role in November 2024, most recently served as general manager of Puerto Rico Terminal's cargo facility. So we'll see what happens and when this happens and how soon this happens. And next time we go there, hopefully it should be in a nice shape. Something like the Nassau port, already built up and taken care of. So we'll see what happens. Everybody have a great time, great day. I'll see you all soon. Take it easy. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.